is Mrs. Sparks, and I'm here with Reading with Donkeys. We have baby Posey, come on over, baby, and baby Echo sneaking in here. And we're going to be reading a very exciting book because I have not read this, I've not seen it, and when I found it I was super excited because it's by an author that we've read before and we love. And that would be Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. And this one is called Click, Clack, Splish, Splash. And it is a counting story. Would you like a cookie? Is that what you want? Mr. Echo. Mr. Echo, come here. Come and get your cookie. All right, let's get started. So this one again is called Click, Clack, Splish, Splash, a counting adventure. Beautiful bright yellow. One farmer sleeping. 2 feet creeping. What do you think of the picture? Do you want to see it, Echo? Echo loves the pictures. 3 buckets piled high. 4 chickens standing by. Looks like they are on an adventure, doesn't it? Let's see what happens. 5 cows type a note. Remember in these click, clack, moo, and click, clack, cluck, quack? they can type, which I love. And there's a typewriter. We don't have those much anymore. 6 goats load the boat. Goats in a boat. What do you think of that? Goats in a boat. Little Echo sneaking snacks. 7 pigs lead the way. 8 sheep decide to stay. Could you not move the camera tripod, please? Here, Echo. Come back here. Come back here. You're a little stinker. You're a treat hound. 9 mice leave a note on the door. Gone fishing. That sounds like a pretty exciting adventure, doesn't it? All the animals go to the shore. Can you see, Echo? Can you see the picture? If they're going to the shore, they're probably going in the water. 10 buckets lined up in a row. 10 fish ready to go. See the fish? Echo, no. Don't bother the tripod. Oh, hi, Maple. Hi, Maple. How's Maple? Would Maple like a cookie? Let's see. Yep, I have a teeny tiny cookie for you. She loves cookies. So we've got buckets of water. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh no, what do you think is going to happen? Maple, stop please. Maple knows where I keep my cookies. They're in my pocket, and she's trying to get in my pocket because she's a smart girl. We're down to 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. What's happening? What's happening? One sleepy farmer rubs his eyes and wakes up to a fishy surprise. Look at that, Maple. A fishy surprise. Are you trying to find my snack? You want a snack? Okay, just a minute here. It's up here. It's up here. Up. Lift your head up. Say hi. Oh, they say the teethers. Poor farmer. And there's a duck doing the backstroke. Oh, another great click, clack, Splish Splash, a counting adventure by Doreen, Cronin, and Betsy, Lewin. I hope you enjoyed our story, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Keep reading, everyone.